XRP Ripple investors, the SEC is going after one of the largest crypto exchange. This is not a surprise. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for the latest to know what the 1% know. This is DC Perspective. Let's get right into it. Breaking news, the SEC is warning Uniswap Labs of potential enforcement action. So now they're warning that they're going to sue one of the largest DeFi crypto exchange. DeFi is what? Decentralized. That's why the SEC is trying to give them a bad name. What is my opinion on this? Like I said, it's all FUD. They're trying to shake out as many retail investors as possible. They want all you guys to sell your crypto, so then institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, Schwab, etc., can come in, purchase your freedom at a very cheap price. So wake up. Remember, guys, look at the past. How many L's does it have to take for you to realize this is all FUD? Who did they go after? They went after Coinbase. They lost. They went after KuCoin. Nothing happened. And now they're going after Uniswap. And they also called Ethereum a security. But remember, in the Hitman documents, the SEC handpicked them to be deemed not a security. Wake up, guys. This is all FUD. As we get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, as we get closer to an Ethereum ETF, we should expect more FUD because institutions are hungry for your crypto. Wake up. And then we got word that, inflation is in fact rising. It's not slowing down. Jerome Powell said, we need to pump the brakes. We need more evidence that, in fact, inflation is slowing down before we even think about interest rate cuts. Well, this is very, very bad because CPI, or consumer prices, rose to 3.5% from a year ago in March, more than expected. They expected to be at 3.4% right here, guys. It says core CPI inflation was 3.8, above expectation of 3.7 as well. This is the 36th consecutive month with inflation above 3% and second straight monthly increase. This is bad, guys. Very, very bad. It looks like, from the looks of it, from the way things are going, that we're not going to have interest rate cuts. It looks like this year we're not going to have interest rate cuts. The 2% inflation goal, it looks like it's not going to happen either until 2026. That's what someone on the Fed said. Someone on Jerome Powell's team said, I expect inflation to come down to 2% by 2026. Well, that's like 2 years from now. It'll be too late. So something massive is going to happen, guys. Something massive. I'm talking about a crash, right? I'm not here to scare you guys. I'm just warning you guys because all the signals are pointing towards something crazy happening. Remember, guys, look at the S&P 500. A lot of manipulation going on right now, but I expect a major correction. This right here was the bear market. Usually in the bear markets, we see 50 to 80% correction. This right here is only a 27% correction. So do you believe we're going to be able to continue to the upside in this bull cycle? No, we're going to have to see a massive, correction. MACD indicator on the weekly is telling us to, it's on the verge of reversing. So pay close attention. We got the news of inflation, and that's not good. Also, we got word from Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse. It's now it all, connecting the dots. It all makes sense. He knows something that we don't know. This man right here is in meetings with institutions, banks, important people that make important decisions. So he knows something that we don't know. A few days ago, he made a bold prediction saying that the crypto market will double in size to $5 trillion by the end of 2024. Then we got BlackRock warning shareholders, be careful with the stock market. Be careful with the US dollar because we have a debt crisis, right? We understand we have a debt crisis. And at some point, the bubble is about to burst. We're $34.6 trillion in debt. We're growing at a fast rate. That's why gold is breaking all-time high. That's why Bitcoin is breaking all-time high. Wake up. Look at the signs. Also, we just printed $1.2 trillion about a week ago. Biden signed the package for government funding. So we just magically made $1.2 trillion appear out of nowhere. So you guys need to wake up, look at the signals. Also this, from March, or actually from December 27 to March 27, 3 months, we have accumulated $677 billion to the U.S. national debt. And according to CNBC, the U.S. national debt is rising by $1 trillion every 100 days. At this rate, we are accumulating $3.65 trillion a year. In less than 10 years from now, the U.S. national debt is going to be well above $50 trillion. And if you understand what Bitcoin is, if you understand what gold is, they're a hedge against inflation. They're here to keep your money wealthy. The value of these assets are only going to continue to go up. That's why look at the signs. Why is BlackRock getting in? Why is Wall Street getting in? They're trying to save themselves, because at some point in time, we're going to see a massive collapse before we eventually, switch the new financial system. If you know, you know, but all the warning signs are here. On top of that, some article came out that the FDIC chief says US ready if big Wall Street bank ever failed. So Martin Gruenberg lays out a details of plan if banks falters. Why is he making plans? Because they know something is going to happen at any moment. Look at the warning signs. They're letting us know, but obviously it's not going to be in the front pages. You have to do your own research. Right? This is the FDIC chief. He's laying out a detailed plan if banks fail. What is that telling us? Well, they're preparing for something massive to happen at any moment. That's why BlackRock says it's urgent. The US needs to fix their debt crisis. If they don't, it's going to get worse. Well, I'm here to tell you, if you understand how money works, money is just debt. So this is only going to continue to go up. It's only going to continue to go up, guys. Also, massive news, because Donald Trump did say when he becomes president, he's going to cut interest rates, or not interest rates, going to cut taxes, and he's going to boost the economy. How does that look? Well, my guess would be another stimulus check. So that would be around late 2024, early 2025. Remember, my prediction is by early 2024. Late 2024, early 2025. That is when we'll see altcoin season, right? The prime of altcoins. Right now is the narrative of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock owning 1% of Bitcoin supply, MicroStrategy owning 1% of Bitcoin supply as well. Then we have the Bitcoin halving, which is going to happen very, very soon. Next narrative is going to be altcoins after, usually in the bull cycle. Ethereum ETF expected to be approved sometime this year. And then XRP ETF, supposedly 12 institutions are set to apply April 12th, which is 2 days from now. So stay up to date with that. Make sure to subscribe, like. But with that said, you guys have a great day and peace.